make hay. Wow, the sunshine. Potatoes. This is not good for the bunnies, but we got grass here. All sort of delicacies going on for the bunnies here. A lot of grasses. You got peppers that are being fed by the rabbit manure, tomatoes, some herbs and more pepper, gourd, more peppers, some greens, more potatoes in all the containers. And this is a free organic, pure organic fertilizer. There they are. Trying to live by nature. This is dried dandelion. Some more that I've just cultivated this morning. You know, thinking like a bunny all the time. This is organic stuff because, yeah, from my back garden. Make hay while the sun shines. Rabbito, Farmino. All things rabbit. Fresh grass day. Yes, I know them. Tank has got the vitamins here. Got involved in the fight with Gustavo. So I know this is Tank. Oh, that is huge. That is huge, dandelion. Babe, what are you saying? What are you saying? You know, are you stopping me from